In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML or embed code in Wix. To get started, open your website inside the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the correct page where you want the embedded content to appear, because this will help you place the code exactly where visitors will see it. Working directly in the editor also lets you preview how the embedded section fits with the rest of your design before publishing any changes. Once you are in the editor, go to the left side toolbar and click the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks you can place on your site, including design features, media, text, and custom embed options. If you are new to Wix, this menu is one of the most important areas to get familiar with, since it's how you add new content to your pages. From the list of categories, select Embed Code. This section is specifically designed for adding content that comes from outside Wix or for placing custom HTML snippets onto your page. It's useful for things like widgets, forms, maps, external tools, or other web elements that provide embed code. Next, click Popular Embeds and then choose Embed HTML. As soon as you do that, a new box will appear on your canvas. This box acts as the container for your embedded content, and you'll be able to move it around and resize it later, so it fits nicely into your page layout. Now click Enter Code on the new box that appears. A text area will open where you can paste your HTML or embed snippet. Go ahead and paste your code into that field carefully. If you copied the code from another platform, make sure you paste the full snippet exactly as provided so the content displays correctly. After pasting the code, click Update. Wix will then load the embedded content inside the container on your page. At this point, take a moment to check how it appears visually. If the content looks cut off or shows unwanted scroll bars, click and drag the edges of the container to stretch its boundaries. Resizing the box properly is important because it gives your embedded content enough room to display cleanly and helps create a smoother experience for your site visitors. Once everything looks right, you can continue adjusting the placement so it matches the rest of your page design. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.